Hi! So here you can see my page I wanted to show you. I did a hybrid page, so I prepared my photo first digitally and added a little stamp digitally in the right corner. And I added some cork stars that I stamped on with white, with two different tones of white actually. I don't know if you can see the difference really on the video, but one shade is a little more bright than the other. I added a little star by Studio Calico, and I printed all of my photos as 6x4, and the two photos are also on a 6x4, and I just cut them in the middle. I will show you how I did that digitally because this is really easy, and I just wanted to let you know, if you don't know how to do it, how you can. So here's another page I did. In this case I didn't use a PNG file or a digital stamp. I used just a font with some fancy capital letters, and also the stars by Studio Calico, plus a flare button I made with my button machine and a digital kit. So also a hybrid page. Now I'm going to show you how I prepared my pages digitally. So I've opened Remember 365 and I have a picture ready. If I wanted to have this picture in just one pocket, I could just drag and drop it into here and it will fit it just to the pocket. In this case, this is not what I wanted. I wanted to have my picture over all pockets. So I would use the little plus symbol, and then I could select all the pockets where my picture should go to. I want it over all pockets, as I said, so I will choose all of the pockets. Now drag and drop, and you can see this is now a little too small because I took it with my mobile phone, and if I now resize it, it might get blurry, so I have to take care that when I print it I might get blurry pictures because I have to make it bigger than it actually is. So to resize it, I will press Ctrl and use my mouse, the scroll wheel on my mouse, and scroll until it fits like this. Yeah. And then I could use the up and down keys on my keyboard to notch it into place, or I can just use my mouse, click on it, and maybe like this. You're not limited to this template, you could also choose others if you go here, and you can see there are quite a few to choose from. And from each template you will get a 12x12, but you will also get the 6x4 or the 3x4, and you will also get the 6x4 where those two pockets are on one photo. So let's try that. I will go to the printer symbol and choose a folder, and now it will save first my 12x12 and then all the other cuts. Now everything is saved, so let's have a look. Here is my 12x12, and you can already here see that it is a little blurry. So whatever is here blurry, it's not so important because this is just kind of a preview. But if you see it here that it gets kind of strange, then this will be actually on the photo. So I know that this will get a little bit blurry and the colors are not so perfect, but I will give it a try anyway because it's just 6 photos to print and maybe it will look good anyway. So next we have the prints where you have all pockets on its own cut. So you can see this one here, the 3x4 is this picture, the next 3x4 is this picture, and if you go to the next folder, there you can see that those two pockets are now in one picture. So this is the 6x4, and here you can see that it really is a little blurry. But in the end it looked fine, so as I said, I just give it a try, and if it's not looking good I will just throw away those photos. Okay, another thing I did here was I added a text. So I could either use the text tool up here and drag a text field, and now I could just type something. So this was in Vienna. I can choose the color and the font and so on, but in this case I didn't use a text, so I will delete it. I used a PNG file which says December 12th, as it was on December 12th, and placed it in this corner, and I guess I've resized it a little to make it a little smaller. Plus, I like to have white overlays, so I choose this overlay, and now you can see it's not black anymore. It would still remain black in your palette here. So if you click on it, you can still move it and add it wherever you want. I will resize it again. Okay, now I would hit the printer symbol again, and I print the 6x4 photos, so all of them, because I don't know where to print 3x4s, and so this is the easiest way for me to get my pictures. Yeah, so I guess that's all you need to know when you want to print a big photo for your pocket pages, and I hope you give it a try, and I hope you have fun using Remember 365. Bye!